Let me see your tongue. In the next 10 minutes, make one wish, and whatever you wish, so shall it be.
One wish. 10 minutes. I go use them. Hey, carry TV. I wish I get strength to carry all those TV now. And for just from there, get her number.
Hey! Hey! Now my only wish, now I use carry woman TV.
What's up, my people on a day with the soft people OBIKING. Welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, watch to the very end please, because this is going to be a blast. I promise you. You feel me? So don't play my good people. Let's go have some fun.
Good morning, sir.
What took you so long?
I'm so sorry, sir. There was traffic on my way here.
See, if you get this job, don't spoil the relationship I have with my boss, please.
Yes, sir.
Should I need and beg you?
No, sir, no.
Tell me what you've got.
Okay. This is my CV, sir.
You know what? I don't have time. Enter the car, let's go.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me. Please go.
Sir, any problem?
I hope you have 10 years experience for this job.
10 years?
Yes, that's the requirement.
Sir, please give me my CV.
You don't want the job again?
No way, I no want. So be only 10 years experience. How would I come be?
This boy, you don't know me, oh. You they play with fire.
My greeting, blood.
I been
Good afternoon. I don't find you go house. They say you know they out. Say since 2 weeks now you never come out. Now they trace you come here.
I'm sorry for the stress. You know, see that house to the hot. I just come here, just come collect this more.
Blood. You believe say as I sit down like this, I they told me.
How they tell you?
I they told me. I don't know when last I eat food when get pepper blood. This suffer when I they suffer.
Calm down now.
That won't make me no mad. But I believe as I don't see you, I go laugh my enemies.
Why you can't wear a mask?
Now people want their own money and they hide from.
Now calm down.
They will do not small tea. I just say put small tea for belly. Me I no go get us blood.
Small tea. Small thing go far, I say. You know quick come. So because change what I get now until return this side.
Oh.
You too wicked, too stingy. You no get money, you go think your head. And your brother happy, I don't be your enemy. Choke out your pocket, give me money.
Let me you slap me.
I go clap there thing. I tell you as your brother, I know the sinful job. See my belly don't cry, not today.
Oh, they struggle.
Give me money, choke out your pocket, give me money. I think I know this. Give me money.
Bro, you can't rob me, I'll be waiting.
Yes, now rob, I go rob you. Give me. When last I touch money? When last I touch no? Give me updates, you know, give me money every day, they like to care. Give me money, no give me. Every day, if I show person your picture, say to my brother, they will say, say you friend, say you person on my mother's side. What's that one?
Yes. Yes. Give
You're that nice! You're that nice!
Please just stop.
Babe, you think I didn't see you staring at that girl's bum bum?
Hey, what's the meaning of this now? Did you see me staring at her bum? I've been at the yash face me.
You know that was what I was trying to say.
See, babe, please just avoid me.
You avoid me too.
No problem.
Jesus.
What's the meaning of this now? You used the toilet and you could not even clean the seats.
I flush and not flush. See, please don't stop me, oh.
Jesus!
Hey! This is disturbance. Nonsense. Can you imagine? Small hash. Ugly. Small prick. Hey, wait.
I'm a wicked man. Oh, this guy.
Now this one will pen and
What's the
pass.
meaning of that? Know your boundary, oh.
My boundary.
Okay.
Now, careful you be. You. Let's have it.
Feel my way.
So we don't make women.
Jesus! Man, bust your brain.
Wait.
Oh my God, she didn't
Now
do
the worst insult with this one.
The chief, my boy.
Worst
It's my
insult.
wedding card.
I no get competition.
As usual, we'll come and spend millions.
My enemy na Saba.
So this girl no
Because
Now we
Yellow
show
Witch.
So I'm inviting you for my wedding.
Cause I no be lose guy. I no be lose guy.
Now go to the marry.
My blood goes.
Forget about this one, eh? And their family name be that. Moko Aboki. I mean, how you donate.
Like how we open.
Hey, Oga, the marriage
relationship rules.
Ojukwu, wait first. All those girls that are coming to see you, give me one now.
You dey see them?
What am I using my eyes to do? Give me one.
What of your wife?
Which my wife? She's not going to find out now. It's going to be between me and you. And she's going to have this Friday, this weekend.
But I don't know your spec.
This one I came to see you last week Wednesday. She wore blue bomb shot and a red top. I like that one.
You mean gift?
Yes, gifts. I want gifts.
Come. You will left and eight don't kill. Now you they import women they give my husband a bill.
No, that's not true. He's not giving me gifts. Oh. Are you giving me gifts?
No.
The who can be gift when they talk about?
It's not gift, it's a gift card. Oh. Yes, his brother in America wants to send him gift card.
This one, gift card. Personality.
See, madam, you can insult me, but please don't insult my personality.
You get personality when they don't spoil.
See, madam, even if I don't know anything for this earth, I know Cardi. Cardi are the best trading platform where we say you fit trade your gift card. And again, if you download their app on Apple Store and on Play Store, they know they reap. If you use my promo code Ojukwu, they will give you 3,000 naira bonus. So I bet you know they look down on me. Or can see the marriage rules with my place for you and your wife.
Which marriage rules be that one? We just have to print marriage rules for one marriage again.
That was trending online now, eh?
Oh look way, eh? Number one, always brush your teeth and bathe. Who does in a run?
At least 2 times a day now, eh? Let's start from there.
Number two, stop wearing black pants. Black pants.
Mix it, even if it's a red and black, cut his color, mix it.
No, Oga now. She been wearing red yesterday.
I tell no.
Number three.
I tell no say you are red.
Madam, you're welcome.
Have you guys delivered the washing machine I purchased yesterday?
Yes, we've done that.
You guys are so sweet and your prices are pocket friendly. I'm so in love with your services.
Thank you very much, I appreciate. That's what we do at Online Alaba. This is our Port Harcourt store located at number 30 Stadium Road, Port Harcourt. We deliver nationwide top-notch UK used products ranging from TVs, very smart TVs, air conditioning systems, washing machines and general electronics, and we'll deliver in record time with warranty. Your products will come swiftly and fragile and the way they are. No hitch, nothing. You're welcome. Thank you for patronizing us, man.
What about the 3 televisions I ordered for yesterday?
Duly packed and ready for you.
Oh wow, then take it to my car then.
Just take your seat. So I'll get my boys to just pack them to your car immediately.
Carry TV. I wish I get strength to carry all those TV now. But for just from there, get her number.
Where are these boys? Chinedu!
Bros.
Yeah.
You define person who carry the TV.
Yes, now my boys are.
Ma carry her, not be 3. Go.
Just go and look for it.
Can he?
Yes.
I go carry 3 TVs at once.
Take it easy, they're fragile, young man. Take it easy. Take it easy.
If you like gym, bust your bubble. If you try carry coffee cup, I go bust your house.
Okay, young man, thank you so much.
How are you? I don't know. Can I just at least know your name?
Okay, my name is Choma.
At least if you see my strength outside, imagine what I can do inside. If I can have your number, maybe this weekend, me and you can just go to tango with all the energy.
Are you being serious? Like, are you for real? Because you helped me to pack in my television inside my car, you think you can get my number? You they carry me, they go, we are not know. But they be for real. All these Port Harcourt boys. But they get out of my car, want to drive out.
Madam, let me carry your TV, oh.
This guy don't get
Bros, that's how your customers they behave.
Just number. Now where I come from, see strength. Baba. Oh God. Baba, the way things hard for me, eh? If woman they share harder. Now my name should mention things are harder for me. Rent I never pay. My mama nowhere. 1 naira no get for account. Now me can come here. If there's anything you can do for me, please, I'm ready. Abel, help me. Hey.
Hey, this
guy no get sense. So don't go do another thing.
It will cost you your balls.
To succeed, Baba, collect what they use and do now. What are they use and do?
Can you imagine?
You don't go.
Let me see your tongue. In the next 10 minutes, make one wish, and whatever you wish, so shall it be.
One wish. 10 minutes. I go use them. Hey, carry TV. I wish I get strength to carry all those TV now. And for just from there get her number. Hey! Hey! Now my only wish. Now I use carry woman TV.
Hey!
Hey! Where me come my mama now?
Hey!
Because...
This guy don't get sense.
What I go carry strength if I don't get food? Yeah. Bros, you want your phone, bros? Bros, you want your phone there?
This Nduka no get sense at all.
Kasongo, Mombari nanga.
Sabinus.
Kasongo, mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh, yeah. Kasongo, yeah. Mombari nanga. Kasongo, mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh, yeah.
Let's have it. Bet, Edochie. Yes, Sabinus for Sipet, Edochie. This evening, you don't buy your own uncle. Don't chop food, pet, Edochie keep for inside room.
So babe, tell me about your past now.
I don't want to see it.
You don't tell me about your past?
Yes.
Why?
Scared.
Scared of what?
Might judge me.
Babe, see, let me tell you something. I'm a real man, okay? And real men don't judge.
Babe, are you sure? I'm scared though.
You can trust me, you can tell me anything.
I've slept with over 500 males.
500?
This year.
This year?
Yes.
2025?
I swear.
Alright, that's less. Well, what else?
I've done 50 abortions.
How many people gone there your stomach?
Yes.
How many eggs you don't get from
well, that's cool. What else?
And I slept with my grandpa.
Your grandfather?
Yes.
Like your own grandfather?
Yes.
You don't follow for the 500?
What have I done with myself? Are you okay?
There's pepper in this food.
Sorry.
It's fine. The important thing is that you're willing to change, right?
Yeah,
Come here.
Finally, I've seen a guy that won't judge me by my past. Finally, a real man.
Blood of Jesus!
Jesus! Tell my guy this sweat, Momo.
Good evening, sir. Wizzy. How are you?
Very fine, thank you, sir.
Longest time, when did you come back now?
Just yesterday, sir. And I came bearing gifts.
Hey. For me?
Yes, sir.
Just look at you. Small Wizzy of yesterday. You? It's nice, oh.
Yes, sir.
Where did you get it from?
It's from Chops Basket, the #1 small chops and cocktail week on Instagram. You can order it anytime, anywhere for big, small, medium events.
Hey, it's really nice, oh. But don't worry, God will bless you, eh?
You're welcome, sir. But please save your thanks. I still have more gifts for you.
Put this one first. You have more gifts?
Yes, sir.
For me? Let me see now.
Sir, before I leave you, I'll give you a gift card.
Gift card?
Yes, sir.
What is gift card?
It's a card you can sell and you get paid in Naira.
Hey!
Yes, sir.
Hey, but which address will I go and sell it now?
Sir, you don't need to go anywhere. All you have to do is grab your phone on Apple or Play Store and download Carding. It's an app you can use to trade your gift cards. And guess what? Just by signing up with the promo code FINEBOY, you get 3,000 Naira instantly.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Just like that?
Just like that, sir.
Look at what is your face today. Let's come and take you for catechism. This is the kind of person you should marry.
Daddy.
My brother, I don't want God will bless you.
No, sir, I said save your blessings for the ultimate gift.
Another gift again.
Sir, there is the ultimate one. Let me show you.
This movie is your face today. You serious?
It's serious, so.
Sir, do you like this one? Oh, apologies, sir. This is my major business, so I think I should know something more befitting for you. Hold on.
This is the kind of person you should marry.
Here.
You love it, right?
Basket.
Is that your father?
Fine, thank you.
Is that to come and insult me, Abby?
No.
Tell me this. Are you mad? How are you mad? You can't get for me.
But Daddy,
What is it?
make sure you won't consider this. You might need it later. Oh.
How? I don't understand.
Daddy, you know you have high BP, and God can call you anytime.
See me see trouble, oh. Which kind thing be this?
Don't call your meat
When
the
I
job.
dey do the thing, other people
Are they speechless? Mona, help me comment. Comment now!
This girl wey dey see for here so,
No,
10
carry your
people per
meat
week,
chop.
na she dey kill.
Bro, no worry. Papi thinks saying go chop my money, Abi. Bro, you won't chop my money. Bro, see, I don't go on vacation now. Now where I dey go, bro. If I catch Papi, what I go do? Bro, no beg me. Bro.
It's so hard when you come from nothing to something. Waiting my day face sometimes don't be smarting. Now I sometimes my head distortion. God knows I don't joke with money. Come up with the ID me. Come up with the
Baby, the reason why you win is because I'm not eating.
So if you eat now, you will win me. You are sure? You are sure you win if you eat? You are going. Tell them to give you anything on my card. Tell them to have funds there. No worry. Chop. Chop, no worry.
The life we live in, the price we give in is not easy. Now you know what they tell you about us. Freedom is expensive.
Kò sọ́lọ́dẹ tí ó torí atẹ́gùn lọ ìbọn o, àfẹ́ ní èṣù bá ń ṣe. Kò sọ́lọ́dẹ tí ó torí.
You go cry, no worry. You go regret your life. No one walk.
Sorry, good afternoon.
Hi.
I don't know. Have you seen any guy here? He's dark. I don't know. His name is Papi J.
That's my baby.
Really?
Are you his friend?
Yeah, we're cool.
He was just
The suffer is real.
Okay, you're his friend, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for him.
No problem.
You like this, I don't know.
I hope he's not cheating on me.
You see, woman a cupboard, woman a condemn you, woman a ask you, woman a kill you.
Sorry, I keep you with you. There's just small traffic on the road, but I'm here now. That is here.
I understand you're a busy man.
I'm busy like a motherfucking pig. So I can make money for guests like you.
You're very funny.
Yeah, I'm even funnier in the bedroom. I'm make a shot and the muffin in the building. But when you is someone waking or did someone die? Are you a ledger? Are we doing zero play? Espionage.
What?
Espionage now, like a role play, Mission Impossible.
Oh, you mean espionage?
Espionage!
You're very funny, man.
Is this why a new type of makeup? Or kilo sheleju?
I'm so sorry. It's actually my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend is the one that busts your face like this. You see? Is that this one here? Or Anthony Joshua?
Something like that.
There's no way it's an abomination. That's a man. If a woman gets you angry, you do this one. No.
Calm down.
Oh my God, my neck for sure. I'm angry. No, I'm so upset. If I know him now, I will go and I will bust him.
That's why I want to leave him.
But then if you leave him, you must leave him. But please, I hope this one does not affect our enjoyment. I'm a dirty boy.
I smoke cigar, I blow skunk, and I forget.
So this is where you are. This is not picking my call, right?
Hamza, what is it? Haven't you done enough?
It's because of this old fool. That's why you're trying to leave me.
Excuse me, please. What are you calling old fool? My name is Otumba Whatever Johnson. And if you don't want yourself, I will beat you like a child.
I don't get beef with you. I pursue where I find come with this. Yeah? Where could they go?
I said you can't go anywhere.
Get for chest.
This is what you are dating. Small touch, you already cry like a baby.
Otumba, why did you push him like that? Why are you so aggressive?
You sure you I'm fighting for?
I told you he's a boxer.
Boxer. You didn't tell me that, oh.
You said something like that.
I don't want to kill again. Can feel the rage.
Oh, the rage?
Yeah.
My shirt. Sorry.
Just this last time, okay? I didn't know he was an aggressive man.
Madam?
Son!
My shirt, please. Forgive and not
run, Oga.
Baby. Oh my shit.
You don't go wrong.
Oga, you want that? That's all. I mean, I like this best, mama. Which one you want?
Wait, please. Take my ambulance, please.
Start it from behind, baby.
Hello?
Emergency.
They want to fuck me up.
Even the guy now, we can't still dance. But so it's supposed to blow since.
Neighbor.
Yes, neighbor. Neighbor, I don't have light. Please, can I charge my phone and sleep over?
No problem, neighbor.
Sleep over. Charge phone and sleep over. Hey! Oh!
Pew?
Oh! My guy there. Hey!
Even me myself that show.
Hey!
God will heal you.
Hey! What's in
pressure? Hey, Jesus.
Waiting.
God Almighty, I beg.
Hey, which guy is this?
Maybe I need bed this guy.
Neighbor.
Good morning, my foot. I slept on your bed, you don't even touch me. Look at
Hey.
See here, she could not even touch me. You say your man enough. Please hold it there.
And neighbor, don't be angry now.
My guy then enjoy.
She wanted me to touch her. I have messed up. Why? God.
Pew?
My son. It's not all about now. It's because of you. It's because I'll kill this angel. I'll kill. Nonsense. I don't send you back to heaven.
You don't kill angel.
So baby, let's go shopping. I'm going to spoil you today.
Shopping date, my girlfriend.
Let me start the car.
Okay.
God, Jesus. Sorry. You go start. I say they do.
I want to for gear now.
What's going on?
Sorry, no automatic. You go start. And the last one be this one, I promise.
I know the struggle.
Why you bend down now?
My back faded and I wanted to pick it.
Then they pick something for this guy. Anything wait for this guy. I see who reach the place where they go. Now you go pick that. Now they bend down.
How would I know?
You will ask question. Where would they go? No time. I won't carry you go shopping. Now you know they bend down for cows. They bend down.
But look at
Jesus. Sorry, you go start. I don't tie yourself. Don't worry. I be on the kick one for that. Babe, maybe that one is supposed to be the yellow one now. Don't go make this guy stop now.
See, babe, I think I'm tired of this relationship.
Which kind of
Why now? This rubbish you're carrying, there's enough reasons for us to break up.
You say
Calm
kick
down.
anyone.
This kind of my pride. Calm down now. You go soon start.
Oh, your pride?
Yes.
Okay, I think it's high time for you to choose either me or your
Or your
stupid
pride.
Land Rover. Choose.
Babe, why you can't invest now? You know, I love you. You know, I not feel leave you for any other person. And you be the love of my life. I don't feel treat you bad. Without you, I'm nothing. Hey, my love.
Let's have it. You choose a car. My Land Rover you choose. This guy don't get sense. This guy move. You say me person kick any gallon. You don't kick her, you don't tell her say no. So now the yellow one is supposed to kick. You move. Your mumu no be here.
Hard man them no. They know say every food come and
Me versus.
Mommy, they go market.
I don't go market though. I dey go church. You see all this thing? I won't go give church. Make they donate for all these orphanage children.
But food no dey house. You want?
Shut up your mouth. You don't know about that food for your life. Okay, go carry graduates. Make you so Gary drink. Rubbish. You don't know pass food. I dey go church.
I won't follow you go church.
You say what?
I won't follow you go church.
Jesus.
Now lie. I dey come. Kodo. Hey! God has done it. Oh no. After many years of fasting and prayer, God finally answered my prayer. My son want to follow me to church. What God cannot do does not exist.
You're just coming, church has closed.
Yeah, Pastor, don't worry. Church is
it!
Oh my God, you brought this for the orphanage home?
To support the orphanage.
You did wonderful.
Thank you.
Is that not your son?
Yeah, this is my son.
Nida, let me pray for you people.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you.
This woman brought this in for the orphanage home. Father, I bless her. I bless the hand that brought this. I'm gonna watch it.
Amen.
Thank you, Jesus.
There's nothing in the vessel.
You can go inside, okay?
No, Pastor, let him help you.
No. Don't bother yourself. It's okay.
Thank you. You need to pray. He has not been a
So apply physical solution to physical
Pastor, don't
problem.
carry
Yeah,
on,
man.
Oh my God.
God have mercy upon us. Jesus.
Now, so some women,
my wife.
some mothers.
My husband.
You dey home?
Yes, I dey also.
I dey come back. You get person you dey see for house?
Yes, you get the
I worship you.
Madam.
Oh, one name.
Madam.
You can't come back.
Carry your offering.
Pastor, why?
God reject them.
Pastor.
I see a lot of threatening. People they call me video and they tell me say I no go see tomorrow. I no go see tomorrow. What did I do wrong now?
Which enemy? Mama, why they think negative? Can't you think positive? You don't know say I good thing saying return am. I be full their house.
Hey, voila. Can you imagine? See, some African moms, they do. Food no go their house. The little one where you get, you carrying they go church. You carrying go they give people. Your children go they hungry for house. It's very bad though. It's very bad. If you're an African mom and you do this, you better stop. You don't make sense. You get. So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. So tell me your favorite parts of the video. I will really like to know. You get. Check out my other videos. There's so many fantastic videos on my channel. Please check them out, and do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share this video as well. You understand? So see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love, my guys.